everybody. I just came back from shopping at Harbor Freight. So I was in town today and I had this coupon, 20% off. So I went in there and they had this one and they had a blowtorch, but the blowtorch didn't look like it had an end. So I got this one and opened it up and there were no directions on how to use it. I thought, well, maybe I should just make my own and put them on YouTube. So here you go. Okay, so that's what it is. I'm going to take it out of the package. I had it out. I already looked at it. I didn't want to have to wait and get through this without talking. Or, I mean, not knowing what I'm talking about. We'll put some of this gas in it. I figured it had to have gas. There's no direction, so here you go. Anyway, you get the idea. Get some gas in it. I've got this one. I got another one over there. And they both kind of leak when it goes in, but doesn't hurt anything. Just don't fill it up while you're while it's hot or burning. All right, and you can see it's just got a few little knobs on it, but none of them have any kind of directions. So let's start at the back here. This right here is a way to lock it on when you turn it on. You turn it on by pushing down on this button. See that button right there, little red button? And while you do it and push back, this won't go back until it's lit. And it lights itself. Also, right here underneath this little red knob, you'll see a little like it slides back, it goes left and right. Okay, you can't see it because they didn't make it a different color. So I'm going to put it in the middle. That's the flame control. And to take it off, just switch this back, push that little knob. So anyway, let go, and it goes out. There we go. Lock it in place. Okay, it's on. You can see it's on. And you can watch, if you want, the seconds, how long it takes to melt solder. Shouldn't take too long. Tell you what, I'm going to turn it up, give it the best chance it's got. Turn it all the way up. Now let's see if we can get this sucker to light. This is some heavy solder that's been outside. Just brought it in from the cold. It's probably about 30 degrees. Looking at the soldering and not the... Well, I'll tell you, so far I'm not impressed. Not very hot yet. There she goes. I guess I just didn't wait long enough. See? Still doesn't get very hot though. Huh. If I hold it upright, let's see. I know this is hard to solder to melt. But still, I'm used to using that other one. Unless I'm turning this thing the wrong way. I really don't see any difference when I turn it. I wish I had some writing on it. But I'm pretty sure I had to. It's got some little bubbles, and the bubbles get bigger. What a thing. We'll turn it all the way up. Let it get hot. Give it a minute. So I never actually, when I'm soldering, I just touch it on there, get it tinned, wipe it off with, but still. All right, now let's see if when I'm touching this, if I can melt this solder. Shit. Nothing. Look at that. Look at that. That's junk. Come on. All right, maybe I don't have enough gas in it. Let me put some more gas in it. I'm gonna goose it with full of gas, but it is lit. Well, I'm less than impressed. Okay, it's working. Look, hey, it actually melts it. Barely. Jeez. Well, you know what? I'm going to take it back. Don't bother buying one of these. It doesn't work. Harbor Freight. Don't buy this. It doesn't work. It does not work. Look what I just got. I ordered this from Amazon. I saw some of these online. I'm going to try this one out, see if it'll melt solder. The only problem is when I opened it, look, I've never opened a package and the lid's flopping, the tip's flopping around on there, so I hope it's just not screwed on. I can't tell till I open the package. Okay, I'm going to open this up. Let me get a little more light in here. Directions are on the back. I noticed that the tip on this is loose, so I'm going to see what's the deal with that first before I do anything. It's flopping around. Oh, I just have to tighten it up. Good deal. I was afraid it was broken. Come on. This can't be that hard. The other one was so simple to use. Well, there's something in there. I don't know exactly what. Something's in there. Turn it down to about medium. That's what we want. There we go. See, it'll melt it, let it drip off. That means it's a whole lot hotter. It's only been on no more than 3 minutes because I even had to stop. So, all right. I like it. It's smaller. This was $25. The other one was $19. So it works. The other one didn't. Watch. I turn it down. You see the orange going away? If I turn it up. Alright. And then I turn it off. And she goes out. That's all I wanted. Simple. Buy it. Much better. Much, much better. Let me see if I can get some light on this thing. C something ZI 2130 cordless. So I guess you're supposed to hold it, push it down, and I use this to fill it upside down like this.